Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am super excited to be partnered up with Unice. They sent me this wig that I have on right now. This is their kinky curly V-part wig, and I got it in 26 inches. I'm going to be showing you how versatile this wig is, because not only can it be styled in a middle part, it can also be styled in a side part like I have it right now. First, I'm going to unbox the wig for you when it comes straight out the pack, and then we'll move on to the rest of the video. There's so much stuff in here, it came like a little bit opened already, so I did not open it like this. It came like this, but it's funny, I did not plan to match the box, but it just so happened what I put on kind of matches. But yeah, so Unice, their packaging is super cute. I love pink. First thing is the wig. This is a V-part wig. This is actually my first V-part wig, so I'm super excited about that. They sent me a wig cap, a band, some nails. Oh, this is really nice. So this right here is like a bag you can store your wigs in, so that's really nice. 8 pairs of mink lashes. These are very, very dramatic. That's really nice that they included that in the package. As you can see, this is the wig. Beautiful, beautiful texture. Is definitely giving kinky curly for sure. So this is going to blend with my texture really, really well. I really, really like the V part. Like, this is really cool compared to the U part wigs, because it's just gonna lay like so flawlessly. No smell, which is nice. We don't like smells. And yeah, I'm just excited to install this wig. I just filmed myself doing like my hair maintenance, where I trimmed my ends and did everything. That video is going to come out after this one, so be on the lookout if you're interested in that video. So next is to install this wig. I think I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm going to cornrow my hair up, and I'm going to be showing you my V-part method on how I'm going to install this wig for a nice, just nice protective style. I'm going to part my hair 2 different ways, so that way I can style it 2 different ways if I want to. So I started by sectioning out some hair in the front. This is going to help make it look more natural, so this is a very important step. I'm just braiding this hair to the side. Okay, y'all, I am done with my braiding patterns. I just wanted to show y'all. So I definitely have my middle part here, and then I also have it going like this. This is going to be my side part, and this is obviously my middle part. I wanted to clarify with y'all, so for the middle part and the side part, the 2 braids that make the part, I braided them individually, so I'm going to take them out so the clips can easily clip onto the hair. Good morning, everyone. I am getting ready to install this wig. I'm trying out this new technique. Somebody may have already done this, I don't know. I'm going to take the wig. This is the wig right here, as I showed y'all before, and I'm going to remove, I think there's about 3 track pieces on this bottom part. Sometimes this isn't very necessary to me, so I'm going to remove the tracks right here, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it after I remove it. But basically, to remove it, you just need to be very careful and cut the thread out of here, and then we're going to take that and we're going to glue it on the inside right here to help so we don't have to do any leave out for this hairstyle. We do have some leave out in the front area, but no leave out on the part. We're trying to do as minimal leave out as possible. If you want to keep this part on the wig, just get like some really inexpensive curly tracks. I have like a whole bunch of them in my drawer, but I'm just gonna use this because I want it to match exactly. I just wanted to show y'all how I safely removed the track from the back. It's usually like really easy when you find the thread from the corner, and then just the rest of the threads come off pretty easily. So just start with the corner and then work your way over till the track comes off. Once I got the last track off, I just went ahead and cut off the excess fabric. Make sure that you don't cut the comb off because you are going to need that to secure the wig in the back. So I'm just going to cut off that extra flap in the back. And this is how it looks when the fabric is cut off in the back. You're still able to use these little clips and the comb is still intact. Next, I'm going to sew the tracks onto the wig. You want to sew them upside down, if that makes sense. So you want the hair to be going up towards where the leave out would be, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to sew this on so it's more secure. I tried gluing it on and it wasn't that secure, so that's why we're using the sewing needle, so that way it's more like long term. So this is how the construction of the wig is looking. I'm just going to open up the clips when I want to install it, and the hair that you sewed on will go right through the clips. Remember when I told you all that I'm just going to uncornrow or unbraid the part where I have my part, because you want the hair to be kind of thin when you're clipping it on when you're clipping on the wig. So I'm just going to take that part of my hair out and kind of tuck it away and put my wig right on top. Now I'm just going to attach the clips onto, you want it to be like right on that part line, and I'm just going to clip them on, and that was a breeze. And then I'm going to like secure the comb in the back and on the sides. Lastly, I'm just going to take out my leave out on the sides, and it looks a little puffy right now, but y'all, we're going to get this wig together. I'm going to show y'all real fast. So the first step is to wet the hair down. I'm just taking my spray bottle and making sure that I get all the hair wet before applying the mousse. This is my favorite mousse to use. It's the Shine and Jam mousse, and it goes good with every curly hair texture that I've used. And I'm just going to put that all throughout the hair to make sure that I tame it and define the curls. Lastly, to finish up the style, I'm going to be doing my edges just for a clean finish look. Lastly, I'm just going to install some nice fame facing layers, just some minimal layers in the front, and that is it, y'all. This looks so natural and so nice. I love the middle part. What do y'all think? I am absolutely so happy how this turned out. Like, I even love it like the more it dries and the bigger it gets, and I just love it. But I'm going to show you guys how versatile this wig is by doing a side part install as well. So I am going to go ahead and do that now. So I took the wig off, and now I'm going to be unbraiding the two braids that's making the side part, just so it'll be flat and easy for the clips to clip onto. I'm going to take the clips and clip them as close to my side part as possible, and then I'm going to wet the hair up again and apply some more mousse just so we can tame it and shape it how we want it to. I did my edges and also just played around with the hair until I liked how it looked, but ultimately I like tucking my real hair underneath to kind of hide it, and then this is the final look. I think it came out so cute. I really love the side part because this is how I would wear my natural hair most of the time. But the middle part also is really pretty as well. Let me know down in the comment section below. Do you like the side part better or the middle part better? But this side part really eats. Like, it looks so good. And like, if y'all see a close-up, it looks very natural because when you're wearing curly hair, your part is not always going to be like flat. You want your curly hair to be voluminous, so it really blends in so well. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.